How can I use Python to get the system hostname? I'm writing a chat program for a local network. I would like be able to identify computers and get the user set computer name with Python.
Use socket and its Hostname functionality. This will get the host name of the computer where the Python interpreter is running.
Both of these are pretty portable. Any solutions using the host or hostname environment variables are not portable. Even if it works on your system when you run it, it may not work when run in special environments such as cron.
You will probably load the OS module anyway, so another suggestion would be
What about? Actually, you may want to have a look to all the result in platform.uname.
os.geton, hostname, and os.environ, hostname, don't always work. In cron jobs in WSDL, HTTP hostname isn't set. Use this instead. It always, even on Windows, returns a fully qualified hostname, even if you defined a short alias in /etc/hosts. If you defined an alias in /etc/hosts, then socket.getHostname will return the alias. Platform.uname 1 does the same thing. I ran into a case where the above didn't work. This is what I'm using now. It first calls getHostname to see if it returns something that looks like a hostname. If not, it uses my original solution.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.